Duolingo the Science Bird is made possible by
First 5 California. 1, 2, 3, explore the world with me. First 5 California is a proud sponsor of Duolingo the Science Bird.
At Boeing, we believe the best way to prepare children for success is by nurturing their curiosity and enthusiasm for learning, and letting the future of our children take flight.
the Rose Hills Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, and by contributions to your Duolingo channel station from viewers like you. Thank you.